We're always focused on water conservation, no matter what. We know that we have finite resources for everything on this planet. So one of the big things for us is making sure that we're not taking anything more than we need and recycling everything at a high rate. So we're getting all of the useful life out of everything that we do. We do the same thing with our water. We use it to cool our milk. It then goes to our water troughs for our cows to drink. And then as soon as the cows process that, we use that same water to clean our pens when the cows are milking. So we're using that stuff as many times as we can.
Water on this dairy, so we use water to cool the milk, but that water, when it's going through and bringing the temperature off that milk, it needs to go somewhere, and so we put that into a tank which gets pumped out to the water troughs, so the cows are then able to drink that same water. That water also gets used as cooling, so in summer months like right now, that water gets cycled on and off every about 15 minutes to where it cools them, and then that same water is used to wash down separators where we separate manure, as well as clean some of the equipment. And so that water gets used many times, and then we're also able to choose to use that as flush, and so then that same water gets used to wash lanes down, and in the end, that water ends up back on the fields, which then grows crops, which then come back into the facility.